Hey, so I'm going to teach you how to use the theremin. Click on Initiate Theremin, and it should track your hands. This is the right hand. The right hand controls the way the sound works out. The left controls the volume. The higher it is, the more the volume. You can also modulate. I want you to just get comfortable with playing around with this. There is no right or wrong way of doing this. You also see the sound wave in the corner over there, and you can modify the specific wave up here. Reverb and filter affects the way the sounds work out. You can change the tracking over here. I love this. I wanted to make a theremin for the longest time, but I wanted to make something that was not hardware connected. I'm trying to improve the FPS right now, so if you have ideas, I would love to know. Let's try a different wave actually. Sawtooth. But yeah, that's how it works.